Consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are produced depending on three factors, which are place of articulation, the point of contact of the articulators to produce the sound, manner of articulation, the interaction of the articulators to produce the sound, vibration, the vibration or not vibration of the vocal cords. There are voiced and voiceless sounds. First of all, we're going to start by explaining the places of articulation. Bilabial. The articulators are the two lips. Alveolar, articulated with the tip of the tongue. Lingual palatal. The tongue touches the hard palate. Lingual dental. It involves the upper teeth. Lingual velar. The tongue touches the soft palate. Glottal. These sounds are made in the larynx. Bilabial consonants. In English, the bilabial consonants are p like paint, b like bell, m like mouth, w like wallet. In Spanish, the bilabial consonants are the same. P like pato, b like banco, m like momia, and w like whiskey. The alveolar consonants in English are t like tomatoes, d like diamond, z like zoom, s like summer, n like nightmare, l like link, ch like chair, and j like bridge. In Spanish, the alveolar consonants are L like lagarto, S like sombra, Ch like chorizo, D like dados, T like tapete, R like rombo, R like cara. Palatal consonants. In English, the palatal consonants are F like final and V like vacations. In Spanish, it's only F like filtro because the sound V doesn't exist in Spanish. The lingua palatal consonants in English are sh like shop, j like illusion, like race, and j like junkie. In Spanish, we have only two lingua palatal sounds, like j, yeso, and lluvia, and ñi, like niño and cabaña. Lingua dental consonants in English are th like there and then, th like thick and thumb, and in Spanish there's only one lingual dental consonant, which is th, and this is only for Spanish from Spain, like cereza and zona. Lingua velar consonants. In English, we have k like kiss, like race, ng like ring, and in Spanish we have k like camino, g like goma, h like hell. Glottal consonants. There's only one. In English, it is h like hospital and heel, and in Spanish it doesn't sound. For example, alcohol and almohada. Let's continue with the second factor of consonant pronunciation. It is the manner of articulation. We have Stop sounds like t, p, t, k, b, k. Fricative sounds like f, v, s, z, h, sh, j, v. Affricative sounds like ch, j. Nasal sounds like n, n. Lead sounds like v, j. And lateral sounds like l and r. The last factor of consonant pronunciation is vibration. It includes voiced and voiceless sounds. Voiced sounds are those that have vibration of the vocal cords, like z, v, j. Voiceless sounds are those that don't have vibration of the vocal cords, like p, t, p, t, f, s, k, h, ch. This is basically what you have to know about consonant pronunciation in order to improve your English pronunciation. I hope you like this video and keep on practicing. Thank you.